beautiful night in Carrion City. What the...
Might as well make some matcha.
Let me work my magic.
Oh, I'm so excited, I can't wait.
That weirdo clogged the shitter.
Another night of rot, simmering under busted streetlights. Every night, I ask myself the same question. How much farther can we fall?
It's just getting started. It'll all be over soon. I can't have you screaming and crying while I strip it from your body.